Hi intentionals, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so let's do a carrot juice with century juice extractor. All right, so watch this video if you want to know how you can make carrot juice for your home or for business using century juice extractor. Remember that every product have different way they go about their own, so I'm going to show you how Century does theirs. First of all, you cut your carrots into chunks. Please don't put it in the big lumps. If not, your blender will not blend it well. Your extractor rather will not extract it well. Cut it into chunks and be adding it little by little. If you add a little, you extract you off. If not, if you run it at a stretch, it will stop work and you have to wait for 30 minutes. I doubt if you have that time. So this is after blending. It's very easy, like very easy to make. Honestly, after extracting it, I added my ice, top it up with my freshly made carrot juice. There was no water added. No water added. It was just the juice only, and the juice is very much ready.